Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to build a dictionary web app with the help of ChatGPT and dictionary API. So we are going to use this dictionary API. It is free. Okay. And yeah, we will be building it with the help of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. Let us copy this API response. Well, why we are copying this API response? Because we need ChatGPT build it for us and it create like element for all other everything all data present in this API. So we are going to provide this API JSON like file to the ChatGPT so it can create according to this API. Now pasting it here, writing a prompt like create a web wait a second. Okay, create a web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and using this dictionary API. Make sure you fetch all elements and show it in the result. Style it using Tailwind CSS. Let us wait while it create this app for us. Okay, so okay, so like it created the complete code. We have to copy it and paste it in our type editor. Run. Now we can use our dictionary app, like searching for the word namaste, get definition. So yeah, we got results. Great. Let's search for hello. Hello. Get definition. Yep, it's working. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe it. And this source code will be available to you in the GitHub list. Like here, I will GitHub dictionary app.html. Create a public list. Okay. This link will be in the description. You can check out. Thank you.